Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today we will discuss important MCQs based on current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the Indian Antarctic Bill, consider the following statements. First, the draft bill is the first domestic legislation with regard to Antarctica in India. Second, it extends the jurisdiction of Indian courts to Antarctica for crimes on the continent by Indian citizens or foreign citizens who are a part of Indian expeditions. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you have to tell the correct answer. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, nearly 40 years after India first signed the Antarctic Treaty, the government has brought in a draft Indian Antarctic Bill 2020. Earth Sciences Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh tabled the draft bill in Lok Sabha. So, this was in news because of the Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, because he tabled the draft bill in Lok Sabha. That's why this Antarctic bill, Indian Antarctic bill, was in news. So these both statements are correct regarding Indian Antarctic bill. So you should refer current affairs from any one newspaper and any one standard magazine. It will suffice you. It will suffice your preparation for current affairs for prelims examination as well as mains examination. So let's talk about question number second. With reference to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, consider the following statements. First, it is an Indian statutory body established by an Act of Parliament, the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. Second, the Commission works under the aegis of Union Ministry of Home Affairs. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option A, one only. First statement is correct while second statement is incorrect, because the commission works under the aegis of Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. So that's why statement second is incorrect. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has issued summons to a senior official at ICICI Bank as four children stare at the possibility of losing their home over repayment of loan taken by their parents, both of whom died during the second wave of the pandemic last year. So this was in news because of this issue. So here is question number 3. With reference to Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, consider the following statements. First, it is a United Nations body for accessing the science related to climate change. Second, it was set up in 2012 by the World Meteorological Organization and the United Nations. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A, one only. So the IPCC was set up in 1988 by the World Meteorological Organization and United Nations Environmental Program, and the IPCC delivered a dire assessment and warning in its last report that was released on Monday, April 4, revealing what United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres said was a litany of broken climate promises by governments and corporations. So IPCC was in news because of this report. So you should know about IPCC, what that organization is. So when was it set up? So you should know all about that. So that's why the answer of this question is option A, and second statement is incorrect, as I have already told you that it was set up in 1988, not in 2012. So this was all about question number 3. Now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the green hydrogen, consider the following statements. First, it is produced through electrolysis of water using renewable energy. Second, nearly all of the hydrogen currently produced in India is green hydrogen. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer of this question is option A, one only. So statement 1 is correct while statement second is incorrect. So Indian Oil Corporation and Larsen and Toubro and Renew Power have signed a binding term sheet to set up a joint venture company to develop the green hydrogen in India. So this was in news because they signed a binding term sheet regarding green hydrogen. So this was all about question number 4. Now let us discuss the final question of this video, that is question number 5. With reference to the Purchasing Manager Index, consider the following statements. First, it is compiled by Niti Aayog. Second, it doesn't capture informal sector activity. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer of this question is option B, two only. So the Indian manufacturing PMI compiled by S&P Global, so that's why statement 1 is incorrect. So this and statement number 2 is correct. This was in news because India's manufacturing activities expand in February as output. New orders rise amid favorable demand, says PMI. So this was all about question number 5. You can cover current affairs part through newspapers, any standard newspaper and any standard magazine, whichever you like. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.